Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a simple present tense quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. She dash every day after school. The correct option is studies. She studies every day after school. Question 2. He dash strange things sometimes. The correct option is says. He says strange things sometimes. Question 3. A bird dash in the sky. The correct option is flies. A bird flies in the sky. Question 4. Peter dash awake until midnight. The correct option is stays. Peter stays awake until midnight. Question 5. My brother dash books online. The correct option is buys. My brother buys books online. Question 6. Alina dash bills every month. The correct option is pays. Alina pays bills every month. Question 7. My friend dash music very well. The correct option is plays. My friend plays music very well. Question 8. She dash her teeth every morning. The correct option is brushes. She brushes her teeth every morning. Question 9. My dad dash dinner on weekends. The correct option is cooks. My dad cooks dinner on weekends. Question 10. The baby dash asleep quickly. The correct option is falls. The baby falls asleep quickly. Question 11. She dash for school at 7:30. The correct option is leaves. She leaves for school at 7:30. Question 12. My friend dashed the guitar well. The correct option is plays. My friend plays the guitar well. Question 13. She dash loudly when she's excited. The correct option is buzzes. She buzzes loudly when she's excited. Question 14. She dash me letters every week. The correct option is sends. She sends me letters every week. Question 15. My mother dashed too much about everything. The correct option is worries. My mother worries too much about everything. Question 16. Anne dash games on her phone. The correct option is enjoys. Anne enjoys games on her phone. Question 17. The dog dashed loudly at night. The correct option is barks. The dog barks loudly at night. Question 18. My sister dashed to music in her room. The correct option is listens. My sister listens to music in her room. Question 19. He always dash his best. The correct option is tries. He always tries his best. Question 20. He dash up at 6 a.m. every day. The correct option is gets. He gets up at 6 a.m. every day. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.